We're here at the Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon near Madras, with the sun peeking over our canyon, lighting up this high desert wonderland. I'm loving all this green algae, giving a Chernobyl Ghostbusters vibe. We're here at Deschutes River day use area, Cove Palisades State Park, Lake Billy Chinook, Central Oregon. Going down one of these docks. So you can see I have a plenitude of docks to pick from. It's a very well developed, built out area. No overnight moorage here. This is just a courtesy day use area. You can imagine Cove Palisades State Park here at Lake Billy Chinook is one of the most popular, highest quality state parks in the entire state of Oregon. So in the heart of summer, this area is a hopping. This area is full to the brim of people, boaters, enjoying this high desert wonderland. This is one of the claims to fame, particularly of Lake Billy Chinook, is it's the confluence of Crooked River, Deschutes River, and Metolius River. Three of the most grand rivers in the whole area, all having a confluence in one lake. Makes a pretty epic high desert wonderland and becomes a water sport paradise for fishermen, boaters, kayakers. So you can only imagine how busy this gets at peak season. Coming out to the edge here, and I'll turn around. Straight ahead there, that is our primary boat dock. Well paved, well gradiated. I will say right now our water level is a little low because of some pre-scheduled hydroelectric dam work by PGE. Today is March 19th, 2024. By mid-April, it'll be about 2.5 feet higher. You won't be able to see that green line of algae on the rock. That will be water level. I'm low pre-season. It's obviously not open right now. Otherwise, you would never be here with nobody here during peak season. Quite the contrary, my friend. I do have to say, I have a question for fishermen. So we have the three arms of Crooked, Deschutes, and Metolius. Which one is the best for fishing? I've heard different things from different people. I don't know if it's a 33, 33, 33 even split, or if there's a general consensus amongst the fisherman community that one arm is better than the others. So be curious to know. We'll also say, see across the way those three little flotilla things with the boxes on them, those are floating restrooms. Pretty cool concept if you ask me. Sometimes when you're out boating having a good time, nature calls. And I think it's a very wise idea to have floating restrooms. So you can get back to having fun. This is paradise. This is high desert paradise. Here's our world-class boat dock, well gradiated, well paved. I know the water level is a little low because of some pre-scheduled hydroelectric work, so it'll be about 2.5 feet taller water level than it is right now. It is March 19th, 2024, a little bit before the start of the season. And we've got three boat docks on that side. You can see the ramps. We got the public restroom, one over here, to three floating public restrooms. We got two more over here, so I guess that's 6 ramps. Pretty impressive. Got a little day use area over here, full of picnic tables and a little beach area. Here is the lower Deschutes River day use area. Plethora of picnic tables, a beach, and a kiddie play swim area. Got this protector area to protect you from the currents as well as the boats. Now this, my friend, is a picnic site. I'm here at the Deschutes River day use area here at Lake Billy Chinook, Cove Palisades State Park, Central Oregon. And you've got a plethora, a multitude of picnic sites right along the beach here. And around and show you this tiered area. Oh, this is gorgeous. Of course, you've got the epic canyon across the way, high desert wonderland. I particularly like this cordoned off swimming zone for families and kiddos. Don't worry as much about the currents or the boats going by, although you always have a drowning risk, so maximum caution recommended. Oh, this area is awesome.